Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an online store using Big Cartel for free. If you are interested in building up your own online store as a complete beginner without any complicated stuff and coding, this will be a great video for you. So let's get started. First, you need to sign up for Big Cartel. Here you will see all the plans it offers. The always free plan only allows you to create 5 products. So the other premium plans provide more number of products, and here you can see all the features of each plan. For now, I will just log in as I created an account before. And here we go. Here it shows you the steps that you can accomplish so that you can get started easily. And for now, we will just start our first product from here. Now we will press on add product and we will provide the information for the product. For example, the product name, jewels, maybe jewels for kids, description, or we may just write jewels here and we will write in the description jewels for kids. And in the categories, we will manage categories from here and we will add then save. In the status, you can say that the product is active so that it's available to be purchased, hidden so as not to be displayed on your homepage, sold out if all the stock is if you don't have any of the product in the stock, and coming soon if it's going to be displayed for later time. So we will just press on active. And the price, we will just say $5. Here you can add variants. However, we will just add the main product without any variants. And for the shipping, you can add any country and you can mention the fees for shipping if the product is gonna be ordered online alone or with other products. So we will just write the country, Egypt, and we will say that the fees for transferring is $3, transportation. Here you need to delete this first, and I will not fill anything in the US tax category, and I will just save. Perfect, so you have added your first new product. Now you need to adjust how it will be displayed. So we will navigate to account. Here is your profile image, and here is your shop design. So you can go to Shop Designer to be able to adjust the display of your products. And here we go. This is how your homepage looks like. So we first need to upload an image for our product. You will just adjust some settings here. All these settings can be adjusted, but before doing so, we will just go back to our product to upload an image. And here we go. Just press on add image. And let's choose, I think, this one. No, it's not the right one. Sorry. It's this one. Perfect. It has been uploaded. So now we will save and we will go back to our account to adjust how it will be displayed. So let's go. And here we can just go to Shop Designer and start editing the display. So first of all, you can adjust your header image. Or you can just select one of the preset themes from here. You will have here many themes. So let's just try to select something which is relevant to our product. This shows fashion, so I think I may choose it, but I need to see the other designs first. I think this is really good because it contains kids, so it's somehow related to our product. I think this one looks so cheerful, so let's just choose it. It takes some time to apply changes, so we have to wait. And here we are. It has been applied. If you want a clearer image of your theme, you can just hide bar from here and see how your design look like. Then you can show sidebar again. Now let's change some settings. So if you want to add a header image for your, like for a model or something which represents your product, you can add it from here. It's the first thing that the clients will find, so it needs to be catchy. So let's choose this one. You can also add homepage pictures from here. You can change the colors of the background, for example, for anything. You can press any color you want here, and you will find that the background has changed. So let's just select something more simple. And here are our changes. You can also select the header background. And here we go. You can change any background you want. You have all the choices here. So let's just not waste more time and move to the next feature, which is fonts. Here you can change the font type. Here you can add any announcement text like discounts and so on and so forth. And here you can find many more options that you can use to build up your own web page which displays your products. Here you can add your social media URL. And now let's move to the next section, which is pages. Here you can add a new page, and if you added this page, it will ask you for the name and it will ask you for the description for this page. So let's just cancel it for now. Here, changes are saved but not published until you press on publish. Let's press on it, and now your changes are now visible in your shop. So let's exit this and navigate to our shop to see if it has been applied. Preview your shop. And here is your shop. Of course, you can edit every single feature here the way you want. It's very flexible. Now, after setting up your product and designing your page, which display or your shop, which displays your products, all what you need to do is to add payment method so that you can get paid. So let's press on set up your payment options and see what it offers. Here it offers you to add your PayPal and your Stripe accounts. However, Stripe is not available in every account in every country, so it's based on your location. You will find available methods for payment. After setting up this, you are ready to pay. You are ready to sell your products. So these were the main features you needed in order to set up your store on Big Cartel. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, then make sure to leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.